Hello, my name is Cody. I'm with Chapman's Tree Care. We are out of Northern Indiana, the South Bend area. We are doing some product reviews for treestuff.com. The product I'm going to review right now is this Silky Gunfighter Handsaw. It's a beautiful saw. You call it a handsaw, jerk saw, different couple names for it. People call it a pole saw because it cuts on the pole action. It's a great product. I've had this for about 2 years now, maybe a little bit longer. I've had it for a while. It was a very affordable saw. I got it from a local shop here where we live. I believe it was, I want to say it's like around $100, maybe a little less. I thought it was a great price. The thing I love the most about it, it's not your typical silky saw. You know, most silkies have like that crazy arch with, you know, they got this little tip that comes down here. But I like this. It's a little bit straighter. It's not super straight. It's got a little arch to it, but it's a little bit straighter. I'm not sure of the size of the blade. Doesn't give me the size, but great saw, super sharp. Still the first blade in the last year and a half. Have not gotten to replace. Going to replacements, super easy. You just got this thing here. Let's flip it up. This folds down out of the way. Maybe. Yep, folds down out of the way. Comes right off. You got your handle. Same thing was going on. Slide it back in. Slides right in. Lock it in place. Very simple. It's got a rubber handle. Very ergonomic. It's very comfortable. Quick and easy. The sheath or scabbard or whatever you want to call it is pretty slim. It's a skinny one. Straight. It's not curved. It's not a weird shape. It's got this nice little chrome accent piece here. I believe it's real metal. Yep. Real metal. It's got this strap if you wanted to put it on your saddle or in a bucket, hook a carabiner onto it, let it dangle there. It's got a snap here. That way, it's a pretty strong snap. Comes off, so if you had it on your saddle or something, you wanted to use it on the ground, you can easily just take it off the snap without taking this off your saddle. Snaps right back in. Not, like I said, it's a nice sturdy snap. It also comes with these loopholes here. If you're more of a guy or girl that likes to mount it to the side of their leg, I'm not a fan of that just because I feel like it's a weird reach, and I feel like trying to shove a saw when you're up in the canopy of a tree in a tight spot, like you might accidentally cut through your pant leg. Another cool feature of this, you got these little rollers here. So what those rollers do, I don't know if you can see this little notch here. That little notch is what locks it in. So when it slides in, it pushes and locks it in place. That ain't going anywhere. But it's a great saw, full metal construction with the rubber handle molded. Great product. Highly recommend it. Good price. Go check it out. If you're a first-time Silky purchaser, this is a great one to start with. I don't think you'll go to anything else. Yeah. Other than that, great product.